In the dynamic and ever-evolving world of product management, becoming a product management leader is an aspiration shared by many. Product management leaders are the driving force behind successful products, shaping the vision, strategy, and execution that brings innovative solutions to market. They are the ones who inspire and empower their teams to deliver exceptional products that meet user needs and exceed business goals. The role of a product management leader. Product management leaders play a crucial role in the success of products and organizations. Their responsibilities encompass strategic vision, articulating a clear and compelling product vision that aligns with business objectives and user needs, effective leadership, inspiring, motivating, and guiding teams to achieve product goals, fostering a culture of collaboration and innovation, decision-making, making informed decisions based on data analysis, user feedback, and market insights, balancing competing priorities and managing risks effectively. Problem solving, identifying and addressing complex product challenges, finding creative solutions that meet user needs and business objectives. Communication and stakeholder management, effectively communicating product vision, strategy, and progress to stakeholders, fostering trust and alignment across the organization. Essential qualities of a product management leader. Product management leaders possess a unique blend of skills and qualities that set them apart: strategic thinking and vision, the ability to think strategically, envision the future of the product, and translate that vision into actionable plans. Effective communication, the ability to communicate clearly, concisely, and persuasively, conveying ideas and aligning stakeholders. Empathy and user focus, a deep understanding of user needs, behaviors, and pain points, driving product decisions that address real-world problems. Problem solving and decision-making, the ability to analyze complex problems, gather and interpret data, and make informed decisions based on evidence and insights. Leadership and team management, the ability to inspire, motivate, and empower teams, creating a culture of collaboration, innovation, and accountability. Business acumen and financial understanding, a grasp of business principles, financial metrics, and market dynamics, ensuring product decisions align with business objectives. The path to becoming a product management leader. The journey to becoming a product management leader is a continuous process of learning, growth, and experience. Here are key steps to consider. Gain strong product management expertise. Develop a deep understanding of product management principles, methodologies, and tools through formal education, practical experience, and continuous learning. Build a proven track record of success. Demonstrate your ability to deliver successful products by consistently meeting or exceeding goals, addressing user needs, and achieving business objectives. Develop leadership skills and influence. Cultivate leadership skills through mentorship, coaching, and opportunities to lead and motivate teams. Expand your network and build relationships. Build strong relationships with colleagues, mentors, industry experts, and potential sponsors to gain insights, support, and opportunities for growth. Embrace continuous learning and growth. Stay up to date with industry trends, emerging technologies, and best practices through reading, attending conferences, and participating in professional communities. Seek mentorship and guidance. Find a mentor or coach who can provide guidance, support, and valuable insights as you navigate the path to becoming a product management leader. Seek opportunities for leadership growth. Volunteer for leadership roles in product management teams, take on additional responsibilities, and actively seek opportunities to demonstrate your leadership potential. Becoming a product management leader is a journey of continuous learning, growth, and dedication. By developing a strong foundation in product management expertise, cultivating essential leadership skills, and embracing a mindset of continuous improvement, you can position yourself to take on the challenges and opportunities that come with leading successful products and teams. Remember, the path to leadership is not about titles or positions. It's about the impact you make on your team, the products you create, and the organizations you serve.